I love motorcycles and I love the art of the motorcycle. And if there's a way I can celebrate that and do it here in St. Louis, it's awesome. My name is Randall Noldge, and I am the curator and creator of Cycle Showcase STL. By trade, I work in the music industry and I produce concerts. About 15 years ago, I noticed that there was a lack of really good motorcycle shows. I've been a motorcyclist my whole life, and there was a lack of really good motorcycle shows right here in my area. And why isn't anybody putting one on? And I'm the guy. I know how to put on concerts. I thought, how hard can it be? So here I am 10 years later with lost half my hair, and it's been great. It's been fantastic. It's a passion project. Cycle Showcase STL is a 50 bike motorcycle exhibit, art exhibit, craftsman exhibit. It celebrates all types of motorcycles: European, Japanese, American, custom, racing. It's a great celebration of everything from all over the country. People are really starting to appreciate what's happening right here in St. Louis. Something I pride myself on is the diversity here, and to make it kid-friendly, family-friendly.
I really love classic motorcycles. I think the lines were so beautiful back then, so that's kind of what attracts me to them. It's just, I think they look really great.
These bikes are like art, they're beautiful, and the fact that they take the old ones and they restore them to new is very encouraging to me, and I love that idea of the past and current coming together.
Each of the bikes that are on display here, there's a piece of paper underneath, and there's something written on the paper, why it was included in the show, why it's unique, what makes it special. For a number of years, when someone would say he's a motorcyclist or he's a biker, there's a stereotype a lot of people had in their head, and it's fueled by TV shows and movies and things. There's not a lot of shows about the guy that got on his bike and he rode across Europe for 3 months and the adventures that he had.
I'm Charlie Weissel. Some people know me as Traveling Chopper. I live in Boulder, Colorado. Definitely a big honor to be invited to something like this and show a bike that I'm proud of and share an experience that I'm proud of as well. I spent a lot of years on the road, traveling around the world. I've done 28 or 29 different countries on the motorcycle that I have.
Уже осуществляет свою мечту.
Because I feel like most people.
Я не сомневался, потому что многие люди.
And most recently completed a round the world trip over the course of 1 year, and it was about 34,000 miles around the globe, and finished that up a couple months ago. The bike I took on this last trip I've owned for 17 years, and it's also my only motorcycle, so I take it everywhere.
The first motorcycle had pedals. It very much resembles what we think of as a moped now. Had barely 3 horsepower, and now some of them are well over 100 horsepower. The design of the bike is split off into many genres, from road racing to cruising around town, to long-range travel bikes, motocross bikes, high-speed race bikes. The design has drifted and changed for what genre of motorcycling you want to go into. And you can go down the rabbit hole on each one of those, but it's still just 2 wheels. There are times when I go for a ride on a day off, and I feel like I did when I was 6 and the training wheels came off. The ability to go anywhere you want, a little bit of danger in there, you know. As I've gotten older, I started building motorcycles, after building bikes and seeing other bike shows. And now it's the beauty of the motorcycle, the beauty of the engineering, the beauty of the design, the paintwork, the metal sculpture, all of it.